Rye.
Brian, go try it. Watch Brandon.
Go for it, Rye.
One more time. Right go.
Woo!
I'm say that one. I'm gonna say that again. What?
Woo!
I'm say that one more time. Right go.
Woo! Come on, Rye. Where are you? Come on, honey. Go for it.
Go try it like Brandon.
What?
Dive. Yeah.
It was fun. Wow. Hoping to get water. What?
Brandon, show Aunt Lynn how you do it.
Alan, wanna see me dive? Wanna see me dive? Okay.
There goes.
Woo.
Brian,
Right go.
there goes Brandon.
You're supposed to dive.
What is up
Let me see.
It's off.
Honey, here's your keys.
And here we go, folks, for the first slide. Woo! A new world record!
One more time.
On your belly. On
You want to go on your belly this time?
No, one time on back.
Put your hands down.
Here we go.
Boy, that looks like fun.
I don't tell them my belly now.
Okay. Think you'll sleep tonight?
Yeah. Oh.
Record.
Tell them my back now.
Put his arms down flat towards his stomach.
Here I go.
What's that?
Yeah.
Here I
You
go.
ready?
Come on, Ryan. You want to try it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Come on,
No, I
Ryan.
don't want that.
Come on, honey. I'll throw you.
Honey, what a...
I'll throw you. You throw me, Bob?
You want to lay down there?
Bob,
I'll
were you
throw
talking to me?
Okay,
You
man.
ready?
I want you, Dad.
Okay, over here.
Lynn, do you have, are there, oh, is Rye going? Okay, I'll get him.
Wait, let's try it.
That?
You're
No,
right.
it just sprays out on it, and it just,
Good.
it's continuing.
Over here.
Honey, do it on his belly. I think that's better.
We all so hot around here.
Okay, lay down, honey.
Brandon, you gotta move, hon. It's Ryan's turn.
Stand your tummy.
Couldn't catch no.
So flat. Lay flat. Or you get down.
Yeah, that's what they keep telling me.
Ready?
Oh, yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Take it easy, honey.
Wee! Cameron, try it.
Come on, Cam.
Cameron, try it.
Yay, Cameron.
Adults are not supposed to go on this thing.
They're not?
Well, that,
I don't think so.
that shouldn't be stopping you.
You're not an adult.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, you know that. Ryan, watch out.
Kim already told me last night she didn't have any adult relationship.
Yeah.
You ready?
Watch, there goes Cam.
Whoa!
Hey!
Ah!
I don't have my bathing suit.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
I know, I got all kinds of stuff.
How was it?
I wish they brought it up.
I wouldn't want to do it all day.
You under? Please, can you push?
He cleaned it
No,
off,
honey.
though.
Please.
Cameron.